Okay, now let's go to question number 23. Question number 23 says that the minimum distance of a point on this curve from origin. Right, so I just want to find out minimum distance from origin to a point on this curve. So if I plot this curve, this is y equal to x square minus 4. So the graph of this curve will be a parabolic, something like this, shifted 4 units in the downward direction. Y equal to x squares and then shift it downwards. So y equal to x square minus 4. So this type of curve will be there. Origin is here, 0, 0. Now I want to find out minimum distance of a point on this curve. So let me take a general point on this curve P, which is somewhere here, and I want to find out minimum distance, right? I want to minimize this OP, right? When will this OP be minimum? So I know that minimum distance always comes along the common normal, right? So if this line L is normal to this curve at point P, then only distance OP will be minimum. This is the basic concept, right? So if I want distance to be minimum, then it is always along the common normal. Okay, so what I'll do is let me draw a tangent at point P. So the tangent at point P will look like this. This is tangent at point P, and this will be the normal at point P. Okay, so both of them are perpendicular. Okay, so if I want to find out slope of tangent, then what I can do is I can just differentiate the curve simply. Also, let me consider point P in general form in parametric coordinates. So if I assume that this is x is t, if I assume x is equal to t, then y will be t square minus 4. So these are the parametric coordinates of point P. T comma t square minus 4 we can take, right? So let me find out the slope of tangent first, right? So what will be the slope of tangent? Slope of tangent is let me differentiate. So y dash is 2x, and I want to find out slope at point P, which will be 2t, right? So slope of tangent, this is 2t. Alright, so what will be the slope of normal? Slope of normal will be minus 1 by 2t. Okay, so I know that slope of normal into slope of tangent will be minus 1. What is slope of normal? Normal is basically this OP, right? So I can just apply y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So this will be t square minus 4 divided by t minus 0. This is the slope of normal multiplied by slope of tangent, which is 2t, and this is equal to minus 1. Now if I solve this, I'll get 2t square minus 8 plus 1 equal to 0. So I'll get 2t square equal to 7. So t square equal to 7 by 2. Okay, so the value of t square is 7 by 2, and I want to find out what? This distance OP. OP will be the minimum distance, right? So OP is equal to OP will be equal to t square minus 4 whole square plus t square ka whole square and then under root. Right, so in this I'll put t square equal to 7 by 2. So 7 by 2 minus 4 whole square plus 7 by 2 whole square, so 49 by 4 and under root of this quantity. So I'll get this will be equal to how much? This will be equal to 7 by 2 minus 4. So 7 by 2 minus 4 will be 1 by 2. So 1 by 4. So this will come out to be minus 1 by 2 whole square plus t square, right? Here I have t. Okay, this will be t square, not t square whole square, right? This will be t square. So here this quantity will be t square is 7 by 2. Yeah, so simply 7 by 2. So 1 by 2 whole square plus 7 by 2 and then under root. Okay, so this quantity will be 1 by 4 plus 14 by 4. 7 by 2 is 14 by 4, so this will be 15 by 4 under root, and this is nothing but root of 15 divided by 2. So this will be the right answer, under root of 15 divided by 2. So the correct option is under root of 15 divided by 2. Okay, so this was a very easy question. All you have to know is the basic concept behind this question is that shortest distance or the minimum distance is always along the normal. Always along the normal, right? So that's the basic concept in this question. Now let's move on to question number 24. Again, this is a very easy question based on iteration, right? So you just find out the first value, then second value, then third value, and then you just have to iterate. Okay, so f naught x is given to us in the question, which is 1 by 1 minus x. Now I have to find out the value of f100 of 3, and it is also given that fn plus 1 is equal to f naught of fn. F naught of fnx. Okay, this is f of x. Alright. So basically what I have to do is, so first let me find out f naught of 3. F naught of 3 will be, just put 3 in this, so I'll get 1 minus 3. So this will be minus 1 by 2. Now if I want to find out f13, this will be in this equation I'll put n equal to 0. So I get f1x is equal to f naught of f naught x, right? So f naught of f naught. So this will be 1 minus 1 by 1 minus this quantity, right? This quantity will come here, so minus 1 by 2. So this will be 1 by 1 plus 1 by 2. So this will be 2 by 3. Okay, so this will be f1 of 3. Then f2 of 3 will be 1 minus 1 by, again this value, so this will be 2 by 3. So this will come out to be 3. And again if I find out f3 of 3, I'll get 1 divided by 1 minus 3. So again I'll get minus 1 by 2, and now the same cycle will repeat, right? Here I'm getting 3, so the same cycle will repeat. So again I'll get 1 by 2, again I'll get 2 by 3, and again I'll get 3, right? So the same cycle is repeating. I want to find out f100 of 3. So if I want to find out f100 of 3, so whenever n is multiple of 3, like 0, 3, then I'm getting the value as minus 1 by 2. So this is 99 plus 1, so multiple of 3 plus 1, right? So this 100 is of this form, that is 3k plus 1. So f100 of 3 will be equal to 2 by 3, right? So this quantity will be 2 by 3. Okay, so here I can write down that this quantity is simply 2 by 3. Now second term is f1 of 2 by 3. So if I want to find out f1 of 2 by 3, then first find out f naught of 2 by 3. So f naught of 2 by 3 is 1 minus 2 by 3, so this will be 3. Okay, then find out f1 of 2 by 3. So this will be 1 minus 1 by 1 minus 3, this is minus 1 by 2. Okay, so f1 of 2 by 3 is minus 1 by 2. This quantity is minus 1 by 2, and f2 of 3 by 2 I want to find out. I want to find out this. So first I'll find out what? F naught of 3 by 2. F naught of 3 by 2. Okay, so this will be 1 divided by 1 minus 3 by 2. So this will be 2 and minus 2, right, basically. Then f1 of 3 by 2. f1 of 3 by 2 will be 1 by 1 minus f naught. F naught is minus 2. So this will become 1 by 3. Then I'll get f2 of 3 by 2, which is my required quantity. This will be 1 divided by 1 minus f1, and f1 is 1 by 3. So this will be 3 by 2. Okay, so this quantity will come out to be 3 by 2. Now you simply have to add all this 3. So I'll get 2 by 3, 3 minus 1 is 2, so plus 1. So this will be 5 by 3, 5 by 3, right? So our final answer will be option 2, that is 5 by 3 will be the right answer. Okay, option 2. So simple question of iteration. All you have to do is just go on putting the values, and you will understand the trend, and then you can find out the values of all these 3 quantities and add them. Simple. So in this question all you have to do is make no mistake. That's the key, right? So simple question. Now let's move on to question number 25. Question number 25 says that if 4-letter words need not be meaningful are to be formed using the letters from the word Mediterranean, such that the letter R first letter is R and fourth letter is E, then the total number of all such words. So I have to form a 4-letter word. Okay, so I have this word. So M is present one time. Let me count the letters which are present, right? So M is present one time, D is present one time, I, T, and I and T. Yeah, so this letters are present only one time. Okay, all these letters are present only one time. Now R is present twice, E is present twice, E is present 1 2 3 three times, and what else? N is present two times, and A is present two times. Okay, so these are the various letters which are present in this word. Now I want to form 4-letter words, right? So 4-letter words starting with R, ending with E. So R and E are gone, right? Now I have only two E's and I have only one R. So this R will come in this category now. Only one R is left out now. So, and there are two blank places. I want to insert this numbers into this blank places. So I want to form 4-letter words. So there are two empty spaces. Now these two empty spaces can be filled in how many ways? This is the actual question, right? So R is fixed here, right? I cannot change this R. I cannot change this E. R and E are fixed. All I can do is I can count the number of different ways of filling this spaces, filling this blanks, right? So actually there can be two cases, right? Case one is I can fill these two places wherein both the letters are alike, right? So two alike, both of them are alike. And second case is both of them are different, so two different letters. Okay, so here I have two alike letters and here I have two different letters. Okay, two alike letters and two different letters. Now if I am filling this gap by using two alike letters, then what are the options, right? What are the different options? Either I can fill in two E's, दोनों जगह पे ई रख दिया, या फिर दोनों में एन रख दिया, या फिर दोनों में ए रख दिया, राइट? सो वेरियस ऑप्शंस आर आई कैन गेट दिस थ्री वर्ड्स आर ई ई ई, or maybe R N N E, or maybe R A A E. Only three options are there if I want to fill this blank spaces by alike letters. Both of them are alike, like both of them are same. So only three options are there for this case, two alike and two different. So how many different letters are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So 8 different letters are there, right? So I have 8 different letters: R M D I T E N N A. E N N A are also different, right? So I'll consider only one of them. I am not considering that there are two E's. I am just considering, let's say pick up any one E, right? So there are 8 different letters which I can see on the screen. Now out of this 8 different letters I can fill in any two here, right? So the total number of words that can be formed by filling these two spaces by different letters is, first of all, select any two letters out of this 8 letters which I can see on the screen and multiplied by 2. Why? Because we have to arrange them also. Like if I am selecting R and M, one option can be fill them as RM and other option can be fill them as MR. So I will get two different words, right? So multiply by 2 because we are considering the arrangement also. So this is how many cases? 8 factorial by 2 factorial, 6 factorial multiplied by 2. So this will become 8 7 6 factorial. So this 2 will get cancelled. So I'll get 56. 56 different तरीके है for two different letters, right? So the total number of words that can be formed, right? Total number of 4-letter words that can be formed which are meaningful or non-meaningful are 56 plus 3. So your final answer will be 59. तो total 59 different words बना सकते हैं. We can form 59 different words. So option 3 is the right answer. Now many students make mistake in understanding that you have to form a 4-letter word, and in that too first and last letter is fixed. Okay, so don't make any such mistakes, like this is not the correct answer, 11 factorial by 2 factorial power 3, right? So you are not doing permutation of alike objects, you are actually finding out what are the total number of 4-letter words. Okay, then so again this was a easy question, right? Very easy question. Just you have to know basics of permutation of alike objects, right? Let's move on to the next question, question number 26. Question number 26 is the same type of question was asked once in JEE Advance also. I think it was JEE Advance 2005. In 2005 the same question was asked. Then that time here the powers were 2005. Now this people in JEE 2016 they have given it as 2015. I don't understand why they didn't give it as 2016, right? So answers will be same. So the same question was asked in JEE Advance once, right? So if I see very carefully, we can easily observe that this matrix P is actually an orthogonal matrix, right? What is an orthogonal matrix? Orthogonal matrix are matrix wherein P into P transpose is equal to I, or you can also say that P transpose into P is equal to I. Okay, so if I multiply P with P transpose, I'll get I. Okay, so you can check also, you can check by multiplying. So root 3 by 2, 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2 and root 3 by 2. This is P. So what is P transpose? If I take transpose of this, root 3 by 2, 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2 and root 3 by 2. So if I multiply this two matrix, I'll get unity matrix, that is 1 0 0 1, which is nothing but identity matrix or unity matrix, you can say. So P into P transpose is I, that is first observation. Now what is Q? Q is P A P transpose, and I want to find out Q power 2050. Okay, so let's first find out what is Q power 2015. Q power 2015 can be written just like this: Q multiplied by Q multiplied by Q multiplied by Q 2015 times. This I can write 2015 times. Now what is Q? Q is nothing but PAP transpose. So let me write Q as PAP transpose. Again Q is PAP transpose. In fact, don't do just brackets, otherwise you will get confused. So PAP transpose, PAP transpose, PAP transpose, second time, then third time, fourth time. How many times I'll write down? 2015 times. PAP transpose. Now you can club these terms, right? P transpose into P. Club all these terms. P transpose into next term, and here P with the previous term. Okay, so all this will become I. I know that P transpose into P is nothing but I, and A into I is nothing but A, right? So all this matrix will get multiplied, right? So A into A into A into A 2015 times. So basically this Q power 2015 will become P A into I into A into I into A into I, like that, and A into I is A, so A into A into A 2015 times multiplied by P transpose. So this is Q power 2015. Now this is Q power 2015, but I wanted to find out the value of P transpose Q power this and then P, right? So P transpose Q power 2015 and P, this will be P transpose Q power 2015 is P A power 2015 P transpose and multiplied by P. Again this two matrix will get multiplied and become I, right? So this is I, this is I, so everything will go away. I'll simply get A power 2015. So the value of this quantity is simply A power 2015. Now A matrix is already given to us in the question, that is A is 1 1 0 1, right? This is A matrix which is given in the question. I want to find out the value of A power 2015. So first let me find out a square, right? So I have 1 1 0 1 multiplied by the same matrix 1 1 0 1. So if I multiply them, what I'll get, I can multiply this and this, so I'll get 1, then I can multiply this with this, so I'll get 2 0 and here 1, right? So a square is, let me write down here, a square is 1 2 0 1. Similarly, if I find out a cube, I will get 1 3 0 1. Similarly, if I find out a power 4, I will get 1 4 0 1. So I want to find out what, now you can see the trend. Okay, you can see the trend in this type of matrices. So I want to find out a power 2015. So if I have 4 here, then 4 here, right? So basically 2015 1 0 and 1. So this will be the final answer. A power 2015 is 1 2015 0 1, right? So this option 4 will be the answer. So this exact same question was asked once in JEE Advanced also in the year 2005, I guess. So you can check out there also the same question, exactly same question, exactly same data, and everything is same, just they have changed the year. Alright, so this question again, so this was question from previous year IIT JEE paper, so might be most of you have solved it. Let's move on to the next question, that is question number 27. Question number 27 says that m and capital M are the minimum and the maximum values of this expression, which is 4 plus 1 by 2 sine square 2x minus 2 cos power 4x. Okay, so I want to find out the minimum and the maximum value of this expression. So what I can do is I can simply write this, sine 2x is 2 sin x cos x. So this will be 4 sine square x cos square x minus 2 cos power 4x. Alright, now this will become 4 plus 2 sine square x ko I can write down 1 minus cos square x, and multiplied by cos square x is already there, minus 2 cos power 4x. So this will become 4 plus 2 cos square x. Here I'll get minus 2 cos square x, and minus 2 cos square x is already present here. So this will become minus 4 cos power 4x. Okay, minus 4 because this will get combined with this. So minus 4 cos power 4. Now let's convert this to perfect square. So if I want to convert this to perfect square, take minus 4 common. So I'll get cos power 4x minus 1 by 2 into cos square x and minus 1. Alright, I am taking minus 4 common. So if minus 4 is common, now let's convert this to perfect square. So this will be cos square x minus 1 by 4 ka whole square. So what will be the last term? 1 by 16. So I have to add 1 by 16 and subtract 1 by 16. So I will subtract 1 by 16. So this will come out to be minus 4 cos square x minus 1 by 4 whole square minus 17 by 16. Alright, now if I take minus 4 inside, I'll get 17 by 4 minus 4 into cos square x minus 1 by 4 whole square. Okay, so this is our final expression in terms of perfect square. Now I can play with it. So I want to find out maximum value and the minimum value. So this expression will be maximum when here this quantity is in subtraction. Okay, and this is the positive quantity because there is a whole square. Now the value of this expression will be maximum only when nothing is subtracted from 17 by 4. That means cos square equal to cos square x equal to 1 by 4 पे इसकी maximum value आएगी when this bracket becomes equal to 0. When this part becomes equal to 0, then I'll get the maximum value, and that will be 17 by 4. Okay, because if some positive quantity gets subtracted from 17 by 4, then it will be lesser only, right? So maximize करने के लिए what we can do is I can take this quantity to be 0 when cos square x is 1 by 4, and cos square x can be 1 by 4, right? That's quite possible. That's not outside the range of cos square. Now I want to minimize this quantity. So if I want to minimize this quantity, then what's the trick? If I want to minimize this quantity, that means this quantity which is subtracted from 17 by 4, this should be maximum. इसको maximize कर दो. If this is maximum, then the resulting quantity will be minimum. So when will this quantity be maximum? This quantity will be maximum when this bracket is maximum. So cos square x minus 1 by 4, इसकी maximum value क्या हो सकती है? What can be the maximum value? Now I know that cos square x will always go from 0 to 1, right? So if I take cos square x equal to 0, then I'll get this quantity to be 1 minus 1 by 4, right? और इसका whole square होगा, right? इसका whole square होगा, so this quantity will be 1 by 16. But if I take cos square x equal to 1, then I'll get 1 minus 1 by 4 whole square, so this is 3 by 4 whole square, so this is 9 by 16. Obviously this is greater, right? So 9 by 16 is greater, so what I'll do is I'll consider this value, right? So take cos square x equal to 1. So when cos square x is 1, I'll get the maximum value of this quantity, and so the minimum value of the entire expression. So minimum value of expression will be 17 by 4 minus 4, 1 minus 1 by 4 whole square. So this is 17 by 4 minus 9 by 4. So this will come out to be 8 by 4, which is 2, right? So small m is 2. Now what we had to find out? Capital M minus small m. So just subtract. So I'll get 17 by 4 minus 2. So 17 minus 8 by 4. So this will be 9 by 4. Okay, so your final answer will be 9 by 4. Option 4. 9 by 4 is the correct answer, right? So you just have to convert to perfect square and then interpret that for what value of cos x you will get maximum and minimum value. Okay, so whenever there are questions like this, this is the only way out, right? So it was an easy question. You could have solved this question, right? Just you have to convert it to perfect square, that's it. Once you get that expression, then the question becomes actually very easy. Now going to the next question, moving on, we have question number 28 from summation of some binomial terms which are written here. Again, a very easy question. So this was again the easiest question, right? All you have to do is just you have to apply the formula of NCR. Now if you know what is NCR, then this question is a piece of cake for you, right? तो ये question तो किसी को छोड़ना ही नहीं चाहिए था. This is the most easiest question. 15 CR is 15 factorial by R factorial 15 minus R factorial whole divided by 15 factorial divided by R minus 1 factorial and 15 minus R plus 1 factorial, right? I'm just using the formula of NCR in the numerator and the denominator. So 15 factorial will get cancelled sorry, and then so we have R square. What will be left out? This R factorial, I can write it as R into R minus 1 factorial, and so this R minus 1 factorial will get cancelled with this, and this quantity I can write as 15 minus R factorial, the next term, right? This into 15 minus R factorial. So again this will get cancelled, this will go to the numerator, so 15 minus R plus 1 divided by R. So this R will get cancelled again, so I'll get R into 16 minus R. So this will be 16 R minus R square, and then you have to take sigma of this quantity. So sigma from R equal to 1 to 15, right? r equal to 1 to 15. Yes, so 16 sigma r minus sigma r square. 16 you can take outside. Now sigma r is n into n plus 1 by 2 minus r sigma r square, so n by 6, might be knowing the formula, n plus 1 to n plus 1. Now put n equal to 15 simply. So 16 into 15 into 16 divided by 2 minus 15 by 6 multiplied by 16 and 30 plus 1, 31. So this will be 8. So 15 into 16 you can take common. So I'll get 8 from here. 15 into 16 is common. So 31 by 6. So this will be 15 into 16 into 48 minus 31 divided by 6. So this is 15 into 16 into 7. So 17 divided by 6. Okay, so if I simplify this, 3 5s are and 3 2s are 2, 8. So 40 into 17. Okay, 40 into 17. So this will be 680. 680. Okay, so what is the correct option? Let's check. 680 is option 2. Option 2 is the right answer. So all you have to do is just apply the formula of NCR and then apply the formula of sigma n and sigma n square. तो सिंपल सा क्वेश्चन था, बहुत ईजी क्वेश्चन था. दिस क्वेश्चन यू कांट मिस आउट इन द एग्जामिनेशन. इफ़ यू आर मिसिंग आउट दिस क्वेश्चन दैट मीन्स यू आर अगेन कमिटिंग अ वेरी बिग मिस्टेक, राइट. ये क्वेश्चन तो नहीं छोड़ना चाहिए था. Let's go on to the next question. We have question number 29. 29 is again a good question. We have, if a tangent at a point P with parameter T, so on the curve this is meets the curve again at Q. So let's consider a curve like this. So tangent at point P meets the curve again at Q. Okay, so this is the tangent at point P. So let me consider this orange is this is our curve, some random curve, right? Not drawing a very good diagram, but this is some random curve. So point P is given in the question. So this is 4t square plus 3 comma 8 t cube minus 1. So this is parametric coordinates of point P. Let me also assume the parametric coordinates of point Q in parametric form only, right? So this I can take it as, let me take the parameter as capital T. So 4 capital T square plus 3 comma, because the curve is same, right? So parametric coordinates will also be same. So 8 t cube minus 1. Alright, so what I can do is I can find out the value of slope of tangent at point P by using differentiation, right? So I can say that slope of tangent at point P is dy by dx at point P. And how to find out dy by dx? Dy by dt dx by dt. So divide by dt and at point P. So dy by dt. So differentiate this with respect to t. That will be 24 t square, and differentiate this with respect to t. That will be 8t. So this will be 3t. 3t will be the slope at point P. Okay, so and also I can find out the slope of tangent by using 2-point form, right? This will be same as slope of PQ, this line, right? This line. So slope of PQ, this will be same as slope of PQ. Now how to find out slope of PQ? By using 2-point form, right? So y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So 3t is y2 minus y1. So if I subtract this and this, so minus 1 will get cancelled. So I'll get 8 into t cube minus t cube, and divided by 4 into t square minus t square. Okay, so basically I'll get 3t, and this will be 2 times of t square. So t minus t will get cancelled from the numerator and denominator, right? I'm cancelling out capital T minus small t. So what will be remaining? Plus tt divided by t plus t. Now I can take this down to the other side. So I'll get 3t t plus t, this is equal to 2t square plus 2 small t square plus 2 t capital T. Okay, now I can divide the entire expression by t square and then take small t by capital T as x. Okay, so you will get a quadratic in x which you can solve. So now the question becomes easy. Okay, so I'll get 3 t by t and 1 t will go inside, so 1 plus t by t, this is equal to 2 plus 2 t by t whole square plus 2 t by t. Now take t by t equal to x, so 3x 1 plus x 2 plus 2x square plus 2x. Solve this quadratic. I'll get 3x square minus 2x square, so x square, then 3x minus 2x, so x and minus 2. So I'll get x equal to, so factors are x plus 2 and x minus 1. So x will be equal to minus 2 or x is equal to 1. Now if x is equal to minus 2, that means small t is equal to minus 2 times capital T, and in this case small t is equal to capital T. Okay, so either I'll get this or I'll get this. Now if small t is equal to capital T, then the parametric coordinates of point Q, then point Q will become 4t square plus 3 comma same as p, right? So 8t cube minus p. So in this case I'll get the same point as p, right? So this is point p, this is not point Q, right? So this is nothing new, so I will not consider this. I will consider the answer which I get from here. So put small t equal to minus 2 capital T. So what will be the x coordinate? X coordinate will be 4t square plus 3 and y coordinate is 8t cube minus 1. Now small t is minus 2 capital T. So this will be 4 into minus 2 capital T whole square plus 3. So this will be 4 4 is 16 t square plus 3, and here I'll get 8 into minus 2t whole cube plus minus 1. So this will be 8 8 is 64 minus t cube minus 1. So the final answer will be 16 t square plus 3. Okay, so this will be again, yeah, in terms of small t only we can represent this. Okay, or maybe capital T, keep it as it is, and minus 64 t cube minus 1. So this will be your final answer, right? So here what is the option, what is the correct answer? The correct option will be option B, 16t square plus 3 and minus, again these are parametric coordinates, right? So you can replace capital T with plus t. Okay, this small t. All right, easy question. Let's move on to question number 30. Question number 30 says that if equations x square plus bx plus minus 1 and x square plus x plus b have a common root different from minus 1, then the value of mod b is equal to. Okay, so we'll solve this question. It says that x square plus bx minus 1 equal to 0 and x square plus x plus b is equal to 0, right? So this has a common root, right? Both of them have a common root. So we can apply the condition for common root. Actually, let's say that alpha is the root which is common in both of them. So alpha will satisfy in both of them. Okay, so I'll get alpha square plus b alpha minus 1 equal to 0 and alpha square plus alpha plus b equal to 0. Now if I solve these two equations, I can solve these two equations by using the cross multiplication method. So I'll get this, and here I'll get below alpha square I'll write b1 minus 1b, this determinant, and here I'll get minus 1b 1 1 1 1 and b1. Okay, so basically I'll get what? I'll get b alpha square. This will be b square plus 1. This will be alpha into minus 1 minus b, and 1 divided by 1 minus b. Okay, now from here what will be alpha? Alpha, first I can equate this 2 and then I can equate this 2. So alpha from here will be b square plus 1 divided by minus 1 minus b, and alpha from here will be minus 1 minus b divided by 1 minus b. Okay, so these two are equal basically, right? So I can cross multiply them. I'll get b square plus 1 minus b is equal to, minus sign can be taken outside, so I'll get 1 plus b whole square. Minus 1 square is 1, तो उसको उड़ा देंगे. तो I'll get b square minus b cube plus 1 minus b is equal to 1 plus b square plus 2b. Okay, so 1 will get cancelled, b square will get cancelled. I'll get b cube plus 3b is equal to 0, right? So from here b common, b square plus 3 is equal to 0. So from here either b can be 0 or b square can be equal to minus 3. So either b is equal to 0 or b is equal to root 3 iota. Okay, now here in this question it is nowhere specified that b is not that b is real number, right? So I'm hoping that this mod b means that this is modulus of a complex number, right? So if it is modulus of a complex number, then mod b from here will come out to be modulus of root 3 iota. So the answer will be root 3. Modulus of b will be root 3. So the final answer is option 1. This will be the final answer, that is root 3. b equal to 0 is not given in the options, so we will not consider this root. B equal to 0, it's not there in the options, so we'll just consider this root, that is root 3. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed watching the solutions of this JEE Mains 2016 computer based test, which was conducted on 9th of April 2016. I hope most of your doubts are cleared, or if you are searching for answer keys, then you can check your answers with this answers. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this solution, right? Alright, so bye bye, take care.